we're a share gainer. We're adding more content. We're in new applications. So there's even an accelerated growth on top of the end market growth.
Carrier infrastructure, equally as hot.
Yeah, that's where our 5G business is, Jim, which I think, you mentioned early on. You've been in the stock for some time at the early stage of the 5G cycle. In this past quarter, in Q4, that business was up over 30% sequentially. Sequentially. And then what
You're
we
talking
said
about quarter to quarter.
Sequentially. Quarter to quarter in Q4, 5G was up over 30%. And then what we guided for Q1 was the carrier overall segment to be up again. So, and we see actually our 5G revenue continuing to accelerate through this year, including a very strong second half. So 5G is performing extremely well on the basis of our new products, on the content gains we saw in this 5G cycle, and our lead customers adopting our products, along with new applications that you're starting to hear about, like virtualized RAN, which is now you're getting the large cloud operators and even non-traditional telecom players like Dell, as an example, getting into this segment. So there's a whole new rich set of applications that 5G is going to enable that Marvell is helping to power.
Does it matter that a major city in China has a bad COVID problem?
Well, I think more broadly, Jim, if you look at the situation in China, the lockdowns certainly have the potential to have all kinds of disruption, in the electronics industry. In particular, in Shenzhen, which I've visited many, many times over my career. It's a city of like 17, 18 million people. So there will be some disruption, but let's just take a step back. Since the beginning of the pandemic, the entire semiconductor industry has been battling with various supply chain disruptions, everything from the initial lockdowns to other impacts, we've seen, particularly in Southeast Asia. And the industry's rallied, and certainly Marvell has rallied, even though we're still supply constrained. If you look at our organic revenue growth, if you include Inphi plus Marvell together, we're growing the company in the high 30% range. So we're continuing to get more supply, but demand continues to outstrip it. So a lot of challenges in the world, Jim. It's not going away anytime soon.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.